Yes. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Tell me. What is an algebraic expression? And what is the difference between equation and expression? Do you tell me? Manidip.
Ma'am, can I say?
Let Manidip to say. Manidip. Manidip. Okay, Rashita, say.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Manidip, okay.
Algebra is
Manidip is responding. Yeah. Manidip, tell me fast, what is the difference between algebraic expression and equation? Tell me. She is unable to say. Okay. Manidip, tell me. Tell me fast. What do you mean by algebraic expression?
tone, like
What is algebraic expression? Yeah, Varshita, tell me.
yes, ma'am. Like an algebraic expression consists of numbers, variables, constants, and like operations like plus, minus, multiplications, divisions.
Okay. When the various coefficients, when the coefficient is attached to a variable and there are more than one variable or there are constant, they all are separated by a operator. Either they are added or they are subtracted. Okay. So the collection of these terms are called an algebraic expression. Okay. Let's say, take example. If I take a example of 7n plus 2, okay, so this n would be the variable. N is a variable because we don't know the value of n. N would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, could be anyone, any number. Okay, so n is a variable. N is a variable which varies, and 7. Okay, variable is unknown quantity here. Variable is unknown. We don't know the variable. Now, the number attached to this variable is called coefficient. Coefficient. Okay. So the coefficient would be the number attached to the variable, or the coefficient would be a number which will be in multiplication of a variable. Okay. Clear. Now, what would be the constant? Okay, now see, you could see here a constant is a term which is without any variable. Okay, a constant is a term without any variable. Okay, you could see here there is a no variable with this 2. Okay, so this 2 would be a constant. This 2 would be a constant. Okay, and this plus, minus, there may be multiplication, plus, minus, multiplication, division, any operator. Okay, these signs are called as operator. Okay, operator, or they are performing, since they are performing operation, we could say this is the operation. Okay, so this the whole term 7n plus 2 represent a algebraic expression. So the expression which consists of number, variable, operations are called algebraic expression. Okay, now in algebraic expression we have seen what is the coefficient, what is the variable, what is the operator, what is the constant. Okay, now we will see the factor. What is a factor? Factor and terms. Okay, terms. It is a expression which is separated by a operator, separated by a operator. See, there is a one operator plus, and these two expression are separated by a operator. So this would be known as term. Oh, okay. So there are two terms. 7n is a term and the other is a 2. So this will be the term. Okay, if I write expression 7x square plus x plus 2. So there are 3 terms in this expression. Okay, there are 3 terms. In 7n plus 2, there are only 2 terms. In 7n, only 1 term. Okay, so term is separated by an operation, which is called term. Okay, now see the factor. The factor is formed by product of factor. Every term is formed by product of a factor. So this 7n is a term, and this could be written as 7 into n. Okay, so the product of this term are 7 and n. Okay, so each term could be formed by product of the factor. Okay, clear? Clear difference between term and factor? Okay,
Clear, ma'am.
more than 2 factor will form a term. Okay, now we will see the number line and expression. How would you represent any expression on number line? If I say I'm having x plus 5 and x minus 5, okay, how would you represent on number line? If it is a x plus 5, everything is in positive, so you can represent this on the right hand side of the 0. Okay, and if it is x minus 5, since minus is here, minus 5. Okay, so that would be represented in left side of the 0. You already know what is a number line. Number line is a line where in the middle you represent 0, and in the right side of it you represent positive quantities, positive numbers, and left side you represent negative numbers. Okay, if it is a x plus 5, okay, x is unknown. X is unknown. So we can take x somewhere here. Okay, so this would represent x and plus 5. Okay, you can take 5 here. So x plus 5, you are adding x, 5 in x. Okay, so you have to go in the same direction. Okay, and if it is x minus 5, then you have to go in the negative direction. Okay, then you have to go in the negative direction. Suppose this is a x minus 5. Okay, take minus 5 in the left side. So this would be x minus 5. Okay, so this would be x minus 5. X minus 5. So this is the way to represent any expression. If it is a plus, go in the opposite direction. If it is if you are adding negative quantity, negative number, then move in the left side of the number line. Okay, this is the basic method. Now we can see if it is a 4x plus 5. Okay, then you have to count the x 4 times. Okay, x 4 times. Let's say this is a x. Okay, this semicircle represent x. The distance between this point 0 to x, this represent x. So you have to consider x 4 times. So x, 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 x. Okay, x, 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 x. 4 times x plus 5. It means move in the same direction. It is plus 5. So plus 5 can be considered as this, plus 5. Okay, so plus 5. So this point would be the D point. The D point would represent 4x plus 5. Clear? Now see, if I say it is x 2x plus 1. Okay, if it is a 2x plus 1, so you can take x of any value. Okay, this would represent x. Now 2x, you have to multiply xx. You have to add xx 2 times. Okay, 2x, that would form, that would be 2x. Take xx 2 times and add plus 1. Plus 1 means you have to move in the same direction. Okay, if I say this distance is plus 1, so here this point would represent 2x plus 1. Clear? If I say it is 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, it means x, x, x 3 times 3x minus 2.
Ma'am, for me, your voice is breaking. I just rejoined.
Yes, yes. Now? Hello? Okay, I am doing my video off. Now? Hello? Hello? Yeah, Harshita. Tanvi.
Ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. So now how would you represent 3x minus 2? 3x minus 2. So they take the x, x 3 times. Okay. 3 times and minus 2. Minus 2, it means you have to move in the negative direction. Negative direction. So let's say if this length represent minus 2, then this point would represent 3x minus 2. Okay. Let's say if this is A. So A would represent 3x minus 2. Clear? So this is so simple actually. Now see. Identify the coefficient. Let's do question. Identify the coefficient of each term in the expression. Yes. So who will tell me first? Amanidip. What are the coefficient in each term of expression? What are the coefficient here? Manidip will tell me the coefficient.
Can I, ma'am?
Wait. Harshita will tell me the variable.
I will say the degree.
Way.
Ma'am, should I say coefficient, ma'am?
Yes. Tell me. Nityashri.
Ma'am, what should I say?
Wait. Nityashri will tell me the constant. Yeah. What are the constant here?
20
20. 20 or minus 20?
minus 20.
No. Why you are getting confused? This minus is your operator, not a constant.
Okay. 20, 5, 10, 1.
20. No. 25, 10, 1. It is not correct. Now Harshita will tell me.
Ma'am, only 20.
Yes. Harshita, tell me constants are 20 or it will in 5, 10, 1 all. Harshita. Yes, it will be 20 only. Nityashri, it will be 20 only without variable term is constant.
Yes, ma'am, I got
Okay.
confused.
Yes. Now variable. Yeah. Manideep, tell me the variable. How many variables are there? Manideep. Tanvi.
Ma'am, you said coefficient, right?
Yes. Coefficients are
Yes, ma'am.
coefficient are
X square, Y square is 1, ma'am.
yes.
And
So coefficient is
coefficient
1, comma.
X square Y is minus 10.
So don't take the minus. Don't consider minus. Minus plus are operator. And
XY square is 5, ma'am.
5 and minus 20 coefficient or constant?
20. Constant.
Yes, constant. Okay, and variables are Manideep, say the variable. Manideep, variables. No? Nityashri, variables.
Ma'am,
Variables are
X
X
and Y.
and Y. And operator are Harshita. Harshita. Operator are, yes, Nityashri. Operator or operation are, operations are
Is it 20?
operation.
No. Okay, option. X square Y and X
No, they are
Y square.
variable. They are variable. Operation.
Addition.
Plus and minus. Plus and minus, ma'am. Yeah, plus and minus.
Plus and
Plus
minus.
and minus. Yeah.
Okay. The terms. Harshita, terms. How many terms are there?
Yes, ma'am. 3 terms.
3 terms or 4 terms?
1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Okay,
co-
4, 4. I thought that
constant
was
is
equals to, ma'am.
no,
That
no, no.
20
That is
was
not
that side of it.
no,
Yeah,
no, no.
4 terms.
4 terms. Okay. This constant term would also be considered in calculating the number of terms. Okay. Now tell me terms. Okay. So factor of term x square y square.
Ma'am, they are x and y.
No, no.
X
X
square and y
into
square.
x, y into y. This is the factor form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
X square and y square both are factor. Okay. And you could write factor in this form. Now we will see binomial, monomial, and polynomial. So monomial, if I have this expression 5x square plus 2y plus 9xy plus 4. Okay. So if a expression having only one term, if expression is having only one term, then
Monomial.
it would be monomial. If I say this is a 5x square, other expression is 2y, other is 9xy. Okay, they all are having one term. So they would be a monomial. They would be called as monomial. Binomial, binomial
terms.
expression will have two terms. If I say 5x square plus 9xy, okay, since it is having two terms, it means it is a binomial. Polynomial,
Ma'am, trinomial also, no, ma'am?
yes, trinomial, 3 terms.
4
Right?
and more terms is polynomial.
Yes. If I say my expression is this, it means this is a trinomial. Okay. And more than three terms. Here you could see there are 4 terms. Okay. So
Ma'am,
this
then
is
is monomial, binomial, and trinomial can be also called as polynomial.
no, no. Yes. Yes. They are also a polynomial. Okay, when more than one term, monomial will not be a polynomial. More than one term, more than 2 term, you could say. In exact definition, you could say more than 2 term. More than 2 term are called polynomial. Okay. If it is a 3 term, it would be a polynomial only. Trinomial is a polynomial. Clear? Nityashri, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, we can see monomial only one term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, and polynomial one or more term. Okay. The algebraic expression having one or more term with the variable having non-negative integers as an exponent is called polynomial. Okay. One or more term with variable. If one term with variable, okay, then we can say this is a polynomial. Yes, you were right. If it is even a one term, we could say this is a polynomial. That one term should contain only variable. Okay, if this one term is having only 5, then we can say this is a monomial but not a polynomial. Clear, Nityashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if it is a constant 7, then this would be a monomial, but this would not be a polynomial. If polynomial could be a single term, polynomial could be a monomial when at least one variable is present. Okay, so this when variable is present and having only single term, then that could be a polynomial. More than one term would be a polynomial. Clear? Now, yes. Classify them as monomial, binomial. Yes. This is for Harshita. This is for Nityashri. This is for Manideep. Tell me.
Ma'am,
How-
all are one. Okay.
All
Ma'am,
are
and
one?
middle you left out one.
Yes. Following are monomial, binomial, or trinomial. You have to say.
Ma'am, minus trinomial.
This minus z plus 5.
minus z plus 5 is, can I say,
Yes,
binomial?
binomial. Or if I say polynomial or not.
No, ma'am, it's not yes, ma'am,
They all
polynomial.
are polynomial. It is given. Classify the following polynomials. They all are polynomials. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mine y plus z plus 100 minus
No,
trinomial.
wait.
That is mine, ma'am.
Okay. This is trinomial.
Trinomial.
Harshita. Manideep left out.
Harshita, you're on mute.
Harshita. Okay. Now do this question. This is
Can I
important.
say?
The C1. 3 monomial with x and y as variable. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 monomial. Means 3 separate monomial terms I
Yes.
should make. Okay. 2xy.
3 monomials with x and y as variable. Yes. 2xy.
2xy. 27 by 9xy.
Yes.
3.14xy.
Yes, but instead of xy, you could say 3.4 x square y. Xy square.
Ma'am, is they said x and y? No, ma'am. So I thought they should only.
No,
I don't know if we can add
they have
square.
said x and y should be present.
Okay, then I can add square also.
Yes. In a square, x and y is present.
Okay.
Okay. So you could say square also. But that power should be positive only. You could not say -2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, 2 polynomials. That one we didn't do.
Yes, 2 polynomial with 4 or more terms.
3x square y square.
3x square with 4 or more terms. Yes.
Plus 4xy
Yes.
minus
Minus
x square
x square
plus ab.
plus
ab.
Yeah, it could be anything. You can take a constant also. Instead of AB, you could write
Ma'am,
2
can I
also.
write 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3?
3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. No, a polynomial should have at least one variable.
So 3x plus 4 plus 1 plus 3.
Yes, but this would not be a, if you are adding constant, you could say this would be a 8 only. You can say 3x plus 8. You have to tell the
So
separate
4y
terms.
1. Okay.
Separate term, not 2 constant term. That 2 constant term can be added and can be formed into 1 term. Okay. So you could not say 3x plus 4 plus 1. This would be a 3x plus 8 only. This would be considered in binomial only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you could say 3x plus 2xy plus 2y plus 8. You could say this. Or x plus y plus z. 2 polynomial with 4 or more terms. Yes. Wait, what happened? Yes. Now like and unlike term. Harshita, where is Harshita? Harshita, Manideep. 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 What is the meaning to join like this? If you are not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you are taking so much time, Manideep?
No, ma'am.
Actually, you are getting disconnected again and again. Why? What happened? Are there any internet issue?
Yes, ma'am. Too much slow internet issue.
Okay. So now we will see the like term and unlike term. So Manideep, tell me, what are they? Like terms and like terms.
Yes, ma'am, with the same
Same?
way.
With the same variable. Yes. So 2x minus
Yes,
9x.
ma'am.
2x minus 9x. They are like term or not? Keep yourself unmute only. Three of you, please keep yourself unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manideep. This 24xy plus 5yx. These are like terms or not? Tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hear me. Manideep, tell me. These are the like terms or not?
Ma'am. 24. Yes, ma'am, they are.
Oh, and this one, last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the like terms. Okay. So example of unlike term. Can you say any one example of unlike terms?
3ab plus 3ab and 4a square. Sorry, 4 a square x.
Yes. So they are not having the same variable. We can say they are the unlike terms. Okay. Like 6x square.
Ma'am, what if like B, if the square is also there, they are unlike terms, ma'am.
Yes, if it is a x and other one is 6x square. Okay. And
Then
other
also
one is
they are unlike.
7x square. So they would be unlike term. Okay.
But 6x square and 7x square will be like.
Yes, they would be like.
Okay.
Okay, the coefficient may be differ, but the variable and their power should be equal. Clear? Now see. Why 7x and 5x square is not like term?
Because x is there and x square is there.
Yes, because variable power is not equal. Here x raised to power 1. Here x raised to power square. Okay. Since variable terms, the variable power is not equals, that's why they are not a like term. Okay. So now could you tell me the two like term which are like to 4mn square? Yes. Harshita, tell me.
7.
Harshita will tell.
Can I say, ma'am?
Harshita, let. Because Harshita is having some confusion. Na? Let her to say. Harshita. Okay, Nitya, she tell me.
7.14 n square m.
7.4
m n square m.
and mn square or n square m, both are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both are correct. And their power should be equal. You can write either m first or n first. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanvi.
Ma'am, can we say n square m into 7.4?
Yes, both are some. They all are equal, but generally while writing, we have this common practice that we keep the coefficient before. We keep the coefficient before the variable term.
Ma'am, generally I'm asking.
Okay, this would be the same. There would be no change. If we solve it, we will get 7.4 mn square only. But generally we are in practice, we keep coefficient before the variables. Okay. So this is the standard method to write any term, any algebraic expression term.
Yes.
Okay. Now Tanvi, how to add? If I say add these two algebraic expression, how would you add them? Tell me. 15p square minus 4p plus 5 plus 9p minus 11. Yes.
Ma'am, by adding the like variable.
So what are the like terms here?
Can I say, ma'am?
No, Tanvi, let Tanvi to say.
15p square, 4p, and 9p.
They are like terms?
Yes.
No, now only I have told you that like terms are the terms which are having same variable power.
Variable and power should be the same.
Variable and power should be the same. Here you could see p square, here p1. Their power is not same. Variable is same, but power is not same.
So then only 4p and 9p.
Yes, 4p
Plus
and
5
9.
minus 11 also.
Wait,
Yeah.
wait. Nityashri, you would not say anything. Minus 4p and 9p, if they are like terms, then they could be added. They could be added. Now, what will be the result after addition? Tell me. Yes, Tanvi.
11.
Yes. So, what would be the result if we add them? If we add 9p minus 4p, what would you get?
5p.
5p. Plus 5p or minus 5p?
Plus.
Plus, correct. So, plus 5p. Okay. Now, this I took, the left out is 5 and minus 11. So, are they like term?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the result would be, can we add
Minus-
these like term?
Minus 6.
Correct. Nityashri, 15p square plus 5p.
Ma'am, that is not 50, ma'am, that is 5p.
5p. Minus 6, correct. Okay, if we add them, I will get this one. Okay. Now, yes, Nityashri, tell me, how will you subtract this expression from this? Subtract it. All of you, please do it and tell me your answers.
Ma'am, 2a square.
2a square.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Solve it completely, then say.
Minus 12b. Sorry, minus 12b square.
Yes, Tanvi, solve it.
Ma'am, minus 12b square.
Hmm.
No, ma'am, first 5, that is there, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
is there?
first 2a square. First
2a
2a
square.
square. Then minus 12b square. Then plus 11. Sorry. Plus 1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes, do it. First do it in your notebook. Then tell me the
Okay.
answer. Yes, Tanvi, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the term. 2a square minus 11b square plus 3b minus 3.
Wait. Yes, what are you getting?
2a square
2a square
minus 11b square
minus 11b square
3b minus 3
plus 3b.
plus 3b minus 3.
Okay. Tanvi, this is correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Correct? Okay. Harshita? Ashita? Not there. Okay.
1
Let's see.
minute, ma'am, I'm doing.
Let us see. Subtract this from this. We have to subtract minus 4ab. First, you have to write this term. Okay. Then subtract this term.
Ma'am, I wrote 5 in that one.
You should clearly read the question. What is given? This is, you subtract this one. Okay, so what is the minuend? Minuend and subtrahend. Okay, so this is the minuend. 4a square minus 4ab plus 8b square, and subtrahend is this one. You have to subtract this quantity from this one. Okay, so now see, whenever the subtraction is being performed, the sign.
I say the answer.
Yes, Manideep, tell me. Manideep, first of all, tell me, how would you open this bracket? Yes, tell me. First of all, tell me.
Can
how-
I say this one?
No, Manideep will tell. Let everyone to get their chance, right? Yes. When you open this term, their sign will get changed or they will remain same. Manideep, tell me.
It depends, ma'am.
It depends. It is, there is a minus. If outside
ma'am.
of a bracket, there is a minus, it is sure
Minus, ma'am.
100%.
Ma'am, he said depends because maybe for plus it will be remain same, no ma'am.
No, I am asking for the minus. I am asking for this case only. Okay, Manideep. So here it is a minus. So 100% these terms, all the terms sign would get changed. See, the plus 5a square will become minus 5a square. Minus 4b square would become plus 4b square. Plus 6b would become minus 6b. Minus 3 would become plus 3. Okay. Now you can add the like term and you can subtract the like term. Whatever is the sign, according to that, you can add the like term or you can add the, you can subtract the like terms. So now, first of all, identify what are the like terms here. How many like terms are there? Manideep. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Manvi.
Yes, Tanvi, are you not participating in the class?
No, ma'am.
Yes. So Tanvi, what are the like terms here? Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the like terms here?
Ma'am, 7a square and minus 5a square.
Okay. When you will add these two terms, then what would you get?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
2a square, ma'am.
2a square, correct. Now Nityashri. So you can cut
Yes,
these
ma'am.
terms. We have considered this term, you can cut this term. What would be the next term? Like terms.
Ma'am, a 8b square
8b square
and 4b square
they both are in a,
plus, ma'am,
okay. So they will be added or subtracted.
added
So what would be the result?
plus b 12b square.
Plus 12b square. Okay. So you can cut these two terms. Next, Tanvi.
3B and 6B.
3b and 6b. Okay. They both are minus. Then both are minus. You will add them or subtract them, or will add them, keep
It will
the
be
sign.
minus 9.
Minus 9b, correct. So you can cut these two terms. Last left out terms are Manideep.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 4ab plus 5a and plus 3, ma'am.
Okay. No more like terms, right? No more like terms. It means you could not solve, simplified it further. So that would be the final result. Okay, got it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I say add these three polynomials, how would you add? Add it. Yes. Everybody has to add. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, all the three terms.
Yes, all the three terms. Add together.
Okay.
Harshita? Does anybody message Harshita that please respond in the class? Don't come only for the attendance.
Ma'am, maybe she has some internet issue.
But she have joined. She is not unmuting herself. If there would be an internet issue, how could she join? Hmm? She is in there in participant list.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, okay. So first I will listen. I will listen everyone. Yeah, Manideep, what is your answer?
5xy plus 9yz plus 3zx plus 5x minus 4y.
no, ma'am, wrong.
Wait. 3xz
Plus 5x minus 4y, ma'am.
4y. Okay. This is the Manideep answer. Harshita, your answer? No, Nityashi, your answer?
1 second, ma'am, 1 second. No,
Ma'am,
ma'am, he's correct only.
ZX.
Sorry, I forgot to.
Can you hear me?
Ma'am, it's 3zx,
Harshita,
ma'am,
what
not
happened?
xx.
Nitya, yeah, Harshita. What happened?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. My phone speaker had a problem, ma'am. I was unable to hear you.
So
ma'am.
you could send me a message in the chat box, right?
Yes, ma'am. But my chat is not working.
Chat is also not working. Speaker is also not working. Now it is working. What happened? How it is?
Yes, ma'am. I kept yeah, ma'am. I had a connectivity issue with headphones. I kept another earphones. Now it's working, ma'am.
So now please respond each and everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say my answer now?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's 3zx, ma'am, not xx.
Both are same only.
Both
no,
are
ma'am?
same.
Yes,
Either
Ma'am, can I
ZX.
say I got the answer?
Yeah.
I
What,
got it.
Harshita, Nityashi, say your answer. Same.
5xy. Yes, ma'am, same, but I
Same.
got minus 4y plus 5x.
Yeah, correct. If you either you are writing this.
Ma'am, I too. Yes, ma'am. I too got -4 and plus 5x. -4y and plus
Okay,
5x.
okay, correct. All of you are correct. Now you subtract this from this. Yes. Tanvi, what is your answer?
1 minute, I'm doing.
Hmm. Yes, all of you.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
I too got the answer.
Manideep is doing very well today. Manideep, what is your answer?
2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5y minus 9y plus 3, ma'am.
Minus 9y plus 3. Okay. Harshita, is that correct?
No, ma'am. How will
Ma'am,
12y
no,
square
ma'am.
come?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 2x square minus 4xy
Yeah, ma'am.
plus 12y square, ma'am.
12?
How
5
12?
square
How
or
12y
5x,
square
ma'am.
will come,
Not
No,
ma'am?
no,
5y.
wait. Let Manideep to say first. Yeah.
Ma'am, plus 5x, ma'am. Not 5y.
Okay. This is a 5x. Okay. Other than this, everything is correct?
Yes.
Ma'am, how 12y square will come?
12y square. 8y square
Yeah.
minus 4y square.
Yes, ma'am.
4y will square will come,
Yes.
ma'am, not
4y
12.
square, right?
It would be,
Yeah, ma'am. I was saying that one. It's 4y square.
it is plus 4y square.
Yeah, ma'am.
Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
in hurry
Yes.
and bury, don't do the silly mistakes. Okay.
Everything.
When it is plus 8y square minus 4y square, it means you have to subtract and the sign of the larger
And ma'am,
number will
the
come.
first one, ma'am. X square is also wrong, ma'am. It's 12x square.
Yes,
not
it is
2.
12x square, 5x square
Yeah, ma'am.
plus 7x square. No,
Yeah.
Harshita,
You are
she is
wrong because
correct.
you
You are wrong.
forgot
You
to
don't
change
have
the
to
sign.
add, you have to subtract. Manideep is correct.
Okay. Okay, the symbol.
I'm
will
thinking
change,
why
right?
she
Okay,
got
ma'am.
2x 12, ma'am.
Yes. And you
Yes,
have
yes, ma'am. I forgot to change the sign.
subtract it. You are doing everything wrong and you are saying Manideep is wrong.
Ma'am, means I have a question, like how did he get plus 3?
Plus 3. So see, there is a minus 3. When you subtract this term, the everything everywhere sign will get changed. So minus 3 would become plus 3.
How, ma'am? Minus 3 will become constant. Only this side will change, no, ma'am.
That's why I'm saying you should write each and every each and every steps. See, you have to subtract this quantity from this one. So when you will take minus here, so in the subtraction, first you have to write this expression in the bracket. You should have this practice. Okay, if subtraction is there, you are subtracting a expression, then keep it inside a bracket. Now open this bracket. When you will open this bracket, what will happen? The every term sign will get changed. Minus 5x square plus 4y square minus 6y minus plus 3. That's why the plus 3 came. Manideep is correct. Harshita got it. Yeah, Nityashri got it. Nityashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you
Got
don't
it.
try to directly solve it. Okay. Write all these steps so that there would be no chance of doing mistake. Okay. You come up with this practice that whenever you have to subtract any expression, then first put that expression inside the bracket and then open it and change the sign. Minus will become plus, would become minus. Now you can add the like terms. 7x square minus 5 square, 2x square. Okay. 4xy, no other like terms. So you can write this as it is. Y square, like terms of y square, 8y square plus 4y square, 12y square. Now 5x, like terms of 5x, no. So you could write 5x as it is. Minus 3y, like terms is minus 6xy. Since they both are in minus, minus would become plus. They will be added, but the sign of the larger number will come. So 6 plus 3, 9y. Okay, they will cut. Nothing is left, only 3 is constant. Okay, so you can write 3 as it is. So this would be your final answer. Clear? Yes. Now, in this question, tell me the coefficients. Yes, Harshita. Nityashri? Yes, Harshita. Yeah, Nityashri, you tell me. Nityashri, tell me the coefficients.
Yes, ma'am. First one coefficients are 5 and 3. Okay, this one, ma'am. This
only.
one, 1, 1, and 1.
1, 1, and 1. Wrong. Manideep.
Yes, ma'am. X square is 1 and 2.
No, here in the fifth one.
Oh, fifth one. ma'am.
The coefficient.
One second.
How many terms are there?
Ma'am, x by 2 is 1 and 2, ma'am.
Hmm.
And y by 2 is 1 and 2.
Hmm.
Minus xy is minus 1, ma'am.
Yes. So the coefficients are 1 by 2 in the first term, second term 1 by 2, and minus 1 in the third term. Got it, Nityashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't do in hurry and bury. Okay. Now, how many terms are there in the last expression? Nityashri?
Um, 3, ma'am.
3 terms are there. So this is a trinomial. Okay.
Ma'am, 8 o'clock we have another class, ma'am.
Okay. So I think this is enough for today. We'll continue the same. We'll solve the question and how to multiply the algebraic expression, how to divide the algebraic expression. Okay. We could
Okay.
see, we'll see this in the next chapter. What is your
Okay.
next class? Which one?
Science, ma'am.
Science. Okay, no problem. Okay, I think it is enough for today. Bye
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.